My name is Aki Sakamoto. I am from Japan. Then I own a motorcycle shop, Hog Killers, in Hawaiian Gardens, California. Yeah, this is the workstation for my fab stuff, welding, cutting, this kind of dusty area, the grinders and welding machine, MIG, TIG. This station I do all the measurements and machining is over there. I'm just working on the cylinder head right now. I use machine, not by hand. Some people do valve job with a hand. Nothing wrong with it, but I prefer this. This goes perfectly straight. I'm just doing it kind of old-fashioned way. Shovel head, pan head, Evo twin cam, Milwaukee 8. This is the frame table. We did just the hardtail from just 4-speed frame to a hardtail. When I was working at West Coast Choppers, I built all the engines and put the bike together and test ride it. Test riding was one of my main jobs. I ride screen and I just T-boned the lady. Front end took a lot of impact. I think that this saved me for sure. We put a new front end, we fixed it up, everything, and yeah, there was bike. I mean, I didn't get yelled at for this. Yeah. Alright, this is the 1980 shovel head that I'm doing engine work. This is FXR, just service work, minor repair work on this Softail. So I don't really consider myself a bike builder or engine builder. I think that sounds so cheesy to me, but I'm just a mechanic. I just do my best and enjoy what I do.